Hi Pisces, this is your career reading for January 2021. I am going to look at the energies that are going to be around you in your career, money, job, and finance. So let's see what it has got for you, what energies are around you, and how you should harness your energies. So the first energy which I see is of the devil. Devil means whatever your career is, you are in a situation where you don't like the job. Maybe you are getting bored, you are in a situation which is not giving you uh, the satisfaction of working. So there can be this situation for you, my dear Pisces, or there can be a fear in the job, there can be something which is obsessively worrying you regarding the job, or could be, you find yourself not growing, there is a block in the job, someone is blocking your path in this job. So it could be a boss or a earthly earth sign around you, could be a Capricorn. So this person could be, pulling you down in your job. So there can be in business, this means that there are worries, there are difficulties, there are negative things which are happening in your business, some losses happening, or you are not liking it. So there is this energy of not liking what you are doing, or it could be, someone obstructing your path in your job, money, career, and finance. Regarding money, it means that you are spending a lot, or you are spending it on things which are useless. So money situation could be, if it is regarding money situation, it means that money is being drained and not used usefully, or could be used for things which are lavish. So this is what I am seeing. It can also mean extreme ambition. So what's happening is you are not getting because of your ambition, you are expecting very something very high. So there is a difference between what you get and what you are expecting. So there is this kind of energy. So as you go forward, I see that there can be, monetary monetary feud regarding your family property, family money. So there can be, lot of talks going on regarding family money. This issue can escalate for some of you, or this can totally mean the opposite. It because five of wands is reversed, so this can mean that there was an issue in property and now it is getting solved. So I see the Ten of Pentacles. So it has to do with your family property or inheritance, or the money you are earning for your family's financial security. There can be, too much drain on these resources, or you want to secure these resources and you are having a money talk with your family members. You are going to not give up, you are going to straighten these accounts, you are going to work on this, and courageously you will be able to secure your financial future, or you will be getting inheritance. So if there was a fight for possessions and inheritance with your siblings or with your relatives or with your husband or wife, whoever, close family members, you will be able to sort it, though you will feel very wounded by the end of it. But the family fortune is going to stay with you, and you will be able to get ahead on this path or achieve what you want regarding your family possessions. I see that you are going to get some good news regarding your money, finance, and job, career. Some of you who are looking for opportunity, you can find inspiration, or you can the news which you were waiting for will come in. Some monetary news will come in for you, some good news is coming for you, inspiration is coming for you. So as you go forward, however apathetic you are towards your money situation, because Pisces, you are a bit, too much into emotions. So the job which you are doing, like I said, is not fulfilling you, and whatever you have done so far, you have done it. Now you are looking for something, now you are waiting for something, you are waiting for your circumstances to change. But sometimes, closing your eyes, feeling exhausted or bored is not going to help you. You have to take action. You have to take action, and I am seeing that action is going to happen with the Knight of Wands card. So you will be taking some action. Some of you will be signing a new contract. Some of you will be getting into legalities of your business or legalities of your job, and you will go ahead on this path. Some of you are signing new contracts, new deals, uh, getting new proposals and working on it, and you'll be able to shift the situation from Four of Cups, the situation of apathy and boredom and not interested anymore kind of thing, to a situation of some action. So action will take place. Action will take place with new deals, new opportunity, new a kind of cause and effect situation. Some of you, if you were having a legal problem in your job or in your business, you will be able to sort it out. It will be sorted for you in your favor. So some of you are going to enjoy this moment. You will be in the Nine of Cups situation. You will feel liberated, you will feel happy, you will feel contented, and some of you will be feeling that wishes have been fulfilled. So it could be with an opportunity which is coming in of a startup. Some of you are starting something with in collaboration. Some of you are starting a business. Some of you are showing your craft. Some of you are doing some artistic activities. Some of you are launching a film, launching an event. Some of you are doing writing. Some of you are artists. So lot of things are happening, new things are happening, new project is being launched, and your wishes are going to be fulfilled, and you will feel that mission is accomplished. First leg of the journey of a project is accomplished by you. So you will be in a happiness mode. You will be in a healing mode in your career. Some of you will be enjoying with your colleagues. So colleague and collaborations are there, and this can give you your wish fulfillment in your business, job, money, career and finance. Some of you are finishing your studies and starting a new job, starting a new business. So what is your outcome? Your outcome is saying that lot of flurry of activities will happen in the month of January or ahead in February, but you are still feeling uncertain. You are still feeling that apathy and boredom and passive. So it is the passivity is coming because of the uncertain situation, though you are on the right path. But with the moon situation, you are feeling that things are not happening the way you want, and you are uncertain about your future. But this moment will pass off because the angels are advising you to seek guidance or get into an introspection mode with the Hermit card. Think about your situation, think about your career and take steps. Some of you are going to take a step, a move on from a job, quit a job and go ahead to another job. You are fixing a goal for yourself, so you are going towards that goal. And while you go towards that goal, while you do this Eight of Cups, you are in this Eight of Cups mode, you are going to get your Ace of Pentacles. So Ace of Pentacles means stability, new opportunity of money, new opportunity of funding, new opportunity in job, money, career and finance. So you are going to go ahead. Some of you are getting a scholarship, some of you are getting a funding. So things are going to happen for you. That is what the angels advice is. But action is required, a fixation of goal is required, a higher goal is required, and taking steps is required. So that's from my side with the tarot. Now with the Lenormand card, I will tell you how your January success and money situation is going to be, the overall situation. You have got the card of 25, number 25, the ring card you have got from the Lenormand, and it is saying the advice is to read the fine print. Read everything clearly before you sign any contract. Before accepting a firm proposal, demand clarity from yourself and others. So Accept only when you are convinced, and accept only when others convince you. That is what the meaning of the ring card is. The advice is, regarding success, it is saying, with the help of those who love you, you have made progress or graduated. Some of you will be getting a good news. It can ease a standstill and puts you in a up gear, and advantageous contracts can come in for you. Material comfort proceeds on equal footing with physical comfort. The more you are in shape, the more you work and earn. So you have to be in shape to earn better in the month of January. Stroke of luck, a win, extraordinary business opportunity to investigate immediately. You are going to get into this mode of getting proposals. Triumph over difficulties, wealth is coming, and increase in happiness regarding your career will happen. So from standstill, that is the passive mode of the Four of Cups, you are going to get into the Knight of Wands situation, Eight of Cup situation, moving on from a certain thing to a better future. And the Ace of Pentacles is a signifier of stability. A stable opportunity is going to come to you. That is the angel's advice. So that's it from my side. I wish you all the best with regards to your career, and if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. And if you have some career problems, if you want to discuss it with me, you can book a reading with me. So leave in a comment in the comment box. I'll guide you from there. Bye bye.